Hi, this video is going to explain how to navigate through the workshop modules. And we're going to use English specialization as an example, but the setup and the structure is the same for all specializations. So you will be allocated to two workshops. Workshop 1 is one specialization and workshop 2 is in another specialization. And this has been communicated to you through this link here in terms of your specialization workshops. So please, if you have been allocated to, for an example, English in your workshop 1, please complete workshop 1 in English, and please complete the other workshop 2 in your other specialization, as that workshop 2 is allocated to your assessment. So you will come to your workshops. They will be published to you on the 18th, and you'll have access to yours only. On the left hand side here, I'm using English as an example, so I will click on English Specialization Workshop, and that will take me to the first page. Here you'll have an overview of the workshop in terms of Junior Pedagogy and Curriculum, which we call Spec A, and it outlines that you will undertake tasks and information in terms of these different areas. So these workshop teachers have designed fantastic tasks and fantastic content for you to experience in your workshop 1, your practical, and you will need to go through and engage with the material, watch the videos, read the content, visit the links, and complete the coursework or the tasks that the workshop teacher has set for you. And workshop 2 is associated with your assessment task 2, and that will be assessed by the workshop teacher. Now, just to reiterate, workshop 1 is in one specialization, workshop 2 is in another. So this example will be English, but obviously you will not complete workshop 1 and workshop 2 in English. You will have your two specializations here. Okay, so if I move down, you'll have some information here, and you'll have my video outlining these modules, and you are going to experience the unique practices and challenges in your specialization around these areas here, and these have been chosen by your specialist teacher. So to receive a satisfactory grade in this hurdle requirement, or to indicate to us that you've engaged with the workshop 1, you're going to work through the activities. So if I click on the English module here, we have an introduction video. So these teachers, and Margie is the English specialist teacher, she has introduced herself and where she's come from, and then provided some information below. There's one module here called Teaching Junior Secondary. So this is the same for each specialization. And you are to work through the material and click on the links and complete the tasks for the teacher. So they are nestled throughout. Please complete these tasks on a Word document, or if you are writing something down, you may take a photo and embed it into a Word document, and you are going to upload these to the Dropbox, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, we have a second module here, unpacking the unit plan with high impact questions, and this task here will help you complete assignment 2. Okay, so it is recommended to complete this workshop 1 before workshop 2. Once you've completed the task, you've put this into a Word document and any other tasks that the workshop teacher has set out for you, you will go to the Dropbox space, and you will upload your work in the workshop hurdle. Now obviously it's not published at the moment, but it will be on the 24th. It's due on the 24th, Sunday the 24th. Okay, so you have a week to complete that task. So we will go in and mark you present or absent. Now if you don't engage the material and you don't get that workshop work done, you will receive a L for the subject and need to complete the task. another time. For workshop 2, the assessment, so if I use English as the example again, okay, we have a number of resources. So this teacher here has given you some information, okay. She has also included a discussion of the unit, okay, unpacking the unit, okay. So your teacher will do this in a number of ways. They might provide a video, they might provide a web page, they might provide a Word document, okay. So here are the tasking instructions. You are to read these first, okay. The assessment task 2 is presented here. The video is the same for each specialization. The framework is there, and the exemplar is also there for you to view. So this is a collaborative task. You will need to meet either online or over the phone with your group and complete the task together and submit this by Sunday the 24th to the Dropbox, the assignment 2 Dropbox here, okay. Just to remind you that these workshops, workshop 1 and workshop 2, will only be published from the week beginning the 18th until the Sunday the 24th, and after that they disappear from your Collaborate space. All right. Good luck, and I hope you get a lot out of these workshop modules and the information that the specialist teacher has provided.